Hello and good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to create a lab on Fleet Manager. So Fleet Manager helps us managing nodes remotely, which is running on AWS. So I'm creating a Fleet Manager today to access my EC2 servers without an external network via VPC endpoints. For that, I need a VPC, which I have just created, one VPC, and a private subnet. That's it. No route table, no internet gateway, nothing to it. And I need a IAM user for it. So I'm using my root user for this, which is not advisable, but I'm fine for now because I have few AWS accounts, so I can delete it afterwards. And then you will need to create a IAM role for EC2 instance, which I have done as well. So let's go to IAM role, and we need to give it some permissions for it. Yes. So I have created a ssm role. I have given a Amazon EC2 role for SSM, Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core, and Amazon SSM Full Access. In the working environment, we don't give full access, but to show you, I'm fine for now. So we have a role, we have IAM user, we have a VPC, and we have a subnet as well. And very important thing is a security group as well. So let's show you how the security group should be. Okay, so I created a security group now, and my security group is allowing all the traffic from my own security group only. The same security group I will attach to the EC2 instance and to the VPC endpoint as well. So let's go and create a secure EC2 instance now. Okay, there is no instance at the moment. One might be terminated one, so we can ignore that. So launch an instance. Okay, save fleet EC2 server 22. So I'm choosing Windows 22 server. Instance type T2 micro. I'm fine with this. Key pair. I have a key pair as well. MS EC2 general. You can create one from here. Network setting. Okay, let's select my VPC, which is there. One subnet only, no ports open to it. And auto assign public IP is disabled as well. Security group, again, the same security group I just showed you. Storage 30 GB is default. I don't need more than that for now. Advanced details. I need to attach an IAM role for this EC2 instance, which is ssm role, which I showed you earlier. The rest settings can be as it is. And I'm launching this instance. While it is launching, I can create few VPC endpoints, which I need for this purpose. Endpoints. There is no endpoints at the moment. So let's create one, say, fleet SSM and search here SSM. So SSM endpoint, select this, select your VPC, enable DNS hostname here, and then server availability zone is your subnet. Security group, okay, in the same security group. Otherwise, if it is a different security group, you will have to route it, your EC2 security group to your VPC endpoint security group. However, I'm using the same security group, so I'm fine to just choose the same security group here and creating this endpoint. I will create another endpoint here, which is say fleet and EC2 messages. Okay, SSM for EC2 messages. That's the one. I will choose it again, the same VPC and availability zone. It's the same again. IPv4 MS security group, full access, and create another endpoint. Need to create one more endpoint, which is for SSM messages. So fleet-ssm messages. So okay, that's the one. Let it VPC additional setting. We already have enabled DNS name, so leave as it is. Your subnet, IPv4, and MS security group policy, allow full access, create. So there was a VPC private DNS enable cannot be set because there is already a config DNS domain for. Okay, need to sort that out. I think it is conflicting from my previous endpoints. We'll need to check that. I had deleted it, but maybe still that might be still there. Okay, give me a moment, please. I will pause this for a minute. Right, so I had to deselect the private DNS and it's being now created. Okay, while it is creating, I need to go to System Manager and create a host management. Okay, I will delete this and create another one. I will pause this video while it is deleting because it may take few moments. and then I will resume it back. So I have deleted that previous one. Now I need to create a manager here. So click on host management and create. You can take all that as well, installing and configure the CloudWatch agent, and then update the CloudWatch agent once in every 30 days. So here is the option, what you want to control through the fleet manager. So I just want to say current account and current region. You can choose different region as well. Mine is London region. So whatever the instance in my region, I want to control that. All instances or specific instances, this is all for us to choose what options we want. So I'm selecting all instances for now. It will take a few moments to create. In the meantime, let's have a look on VPC endpoints. How many are there? It's only 2 for now. I need one more. Let's see, EC2 instance, how is that doing? Yeah, it is a running server. Okay, let it update. I will pause again for a few moments while it is updating and come back to you in a bit. Right, so my host management is now up and running, and I have 3 VPC endpoints created as well. They are all available. Sorry for that. They are all available now. So if I go now back to system manager and see, go in the fleet manager. Yeah, so it shows me my fleet EC2 server is now up and running. To connect to my server through the fleet manager, I need to select it. There is a various ways of connecting it. If you click on here, you should be able to connect it as well. And then as usual, you connect with your EC2 instance, RDP connection, and connect using fleet manager. Okay, one way is this. Another way is you select it and node actions, connect with the remote desktop. Then there is a various ways of doing it. So you can use your admin and password, username and password, or you can choose the key pair you have. So browse the key pair. And connect. It's taking a few moments, and hopefully this will connect to my EC2 server now. Yeah, looks promising. So I am connected to my EC2 server, and now I can work through here privately through VPC endpoint without going to the internet. This session is default for 60 minutes, but if you need to extend the session, just click on renew session. It will extend for another 60 minutes. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye now.